You've probably never seen clear stewed chicken soup made like this before. It tastes even better and is more nutritious. No gamey smell, no dry texture. The broth is fresh and flavorful. Prepare one free-range chicken. Chop it into large chunks. Never blanch the chicken when making soup. Just add 1 spoon of salt and 1 bowl of clean water. Soak it for 10 minutes. This step not only removes the odor, but also keeps the meat tender and juicy. The bloody water released is the source of the smell. Then rinse everything clean with water. I can't believe I've already posted over 300 videos, and still haven't gotten your little heart yet. That's honestly tragic. So give this video a little like for me, okay? Thanks so much everyone. Drain the chicken well, then stir-fry it directly in the pan. This is the real secret to juicy chicken and flavorful soup. Then add sliced ginger, peppercorns, and a little salt. Make sure to stir-fry until fragrant. Then transfer everything into a clay pot. Pour in boiling water all at once. Add the eggs you almost forgot to put in. Cover and simmer over low heat for 30 minutes. Then add red dates and simmer for another 10 minutes. Cooked this way, the soup becomes richer and more golden. Both the chicken and the broth are incredibly delicious and nourishing. Second recipe. If you have Napa cabbage at home, you absolutely need to try this soft cabbage soup. It's super easy to make, comforting, and incredibly appetizing. First, tear the cabbage into small pieces by hand. Heat oil in a pan. Pour in to beaten eggs. Cook slowly over low heat. Fry until golden and crispy around the edges. Set aside. Add half a bowl of flour into the pot. Toast the flour until lightly golden. Remember to use cold water. That way, the soup won't become lumpy. Once boiling, add the cabbage, crispy eggs and sausage, wood ear mushrooms, and soaked glass noodles, then season. Add salt and chicken powder. Finish with ground pepper and chopped scallions before serving. Cabbage soup made this way is loved by both adults and kids. You really need to pay attention to this third recipe. During autumn and winter, make this soup more often for your family. This recipe was shared with me by an 80-year-old traditional Chinese doctor. Not only is it simple to make, but the flavor is incredibly fresh and delicate. Peel fresh Chinese yam and slice it diagonally. Add salt to the sliced meat, ground pepper, and cooking wine. Then 1 spoon of sweet potato starch. Wear gloves and mix everything evenly. I can't believe I've already posted over 800 videos and still haven't received your little hearts. That's seriously heartbreaking. This video, please give me a free little like. Pretty please. Add another spoon of cooking oil to lock in the moisture. Heat oil in the pot. Add the Chinese yam. Stir fry over high heat until just cooked. If possible, add a little pickled mustard greens for extra aroma. Pour in boiling water and season the soup. Add salt and simmer for 5 minutes first. Add the marinated meat and cook for another minute. The soul of the flavor is 1 spoon of rich scallion seasoning. Sprinkle with scallions and goji berries to finish. Light, refreshing, and not greasy. Delicious, nourishing, and full.